Director of Automotive at Dolby, I'm very thrilled to partner up with Mercedes-Benz, bringing Dolby Atmos music into their cars. Dolby Atmos is an immersive audio format that allows the listener to be enveloped in sound. And now, with Dolby Atmos music, we bring the studio straight to the car.
For me as a sound developer at Mercedes-Benz, Dolby Atmos gives me the opportunity to exploit the full potential of a Burmester sound system. So what we give our customers in the Mercedes-Benz with Dolby Atmos is full transparency, highest entertainment and the best sounding experience you can get in a Mercedes-Benz. We're bringing now the right things together. The best possible sound architecture and Dolby Atmos, and this completely matches together as the best audio experience in a Mercedes-Benz you can get.